Dr. Amin Adams, ex-finance minister in Ekufado's administration, or the Echaupa Kesie Abre Ghana for war. Now no ensema or the two jana or more epache say a year betting tax no na enye juma wabrana MPP wa bemu na enye juma or the Chaupa Kesie abeto Ghana for him say or sre Ghana for enfancheno na no ene kopae emane kokansa asem no e high climax news your clear and louder voice and then your first timer wakame across our videos at your Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at climax news gh afis so feel free na share watching at the comment section like here video na share send a beya afofo no so ebenye bia share enti no yehu say finance minister oko presente budget on the 11th of March 2025. Yes, now after the budget presentation on minority caucus ebehodi press conference edin sembi betu dwa no mo patch say omone NDC ene finance minister no enya adwin efise ensema finance minister no edekotu dwa ewo Ghana mrashi bidwem eyentro enime bi wo hono ma wanka enam so emomo kansem bi na finance ex-finance minister ne ekasa no Dr. Amin Adams okasa no ena odi tudwa say eye betting tax a NDC aban a cancel no tama na MPP aban omo ho no na enye adwuma papa idi asemi betu dwe enkofo etwabo no empo enam so emma shatawale. Yes, Africa dancehall king ono so ababe kasa ese utwanyum krampo edi keka na adwin ekire papa no. Yes, wababe patcho o say osre Ghana for na no kokotwea onim de ha na emane kansa na na adwin ye ne say eye ye wo lottery tax na aban ne ye senka odeba oye twitwa loto no. Yes, abani ye na adwin senka or the lottery tax eba but wenya mfamba enti na adwin ne say eye enoa yenko ne nkotie nsema the honorable minister no ex-minister no ekan emra.
The NDC in its manifesto promised to scrap 10% levy on bet winnings, and that can be called betting tax. But it is different from taxes on winnings from other forms of lottery. They are not the same as what they are promising to abolish. I see in the statement by the minister that he will abolish winnings from lotto or lotteries and call that betting tax. Then it sounds reasonable for me to think that he's equating betting tax, which they promise to abolish, to the taxes on winnings from other, lotteries or other games of chance. Reasonably, if you know that betting tax is different from other taxes on lotteries, and the minister in the same statement sought to equate the two, then I needed to explain that the betting tax he was referring to had actually not been implemented. Now, I've listened to myself again. I've listened to the statement, and it appears the statement created an impression that I meant betting tax as it relates to bet winnings was not implemented. If that's the impression that was created by my statement, then that was inaccurate on my part. But what I really wanted to say was that what he called betting tax, as in taxes on lotto winning, was not implemented. It's somehow suspicious, really, whether the minister wanted to abolish the betting tax. Because if your manifesto promised that you will abolish bet winnings, which is the betting tax, I was expecting it to be very specific. I will abolish betting tax or bet winnings, the words used. But to confuse betting tax as in bet winnings with taxes on other forms of lottery created a certain sense on my mind that the minister really was not clearly communicating what he intended to do.